is the wash-off. There will be two teams, Team Jem and Team Erica. Each team will have one representative who will be wrapped in toilet paper. The teams will then race to remove the toilet paper on the opposing team member by soaking them using water balloons. Team representatives may dodge incoming water. The winning team will get the mystery box. Teams, ready na ba kayo? Yeah. Go! Team Jem! Watch us get wet and wild at the Axe Bikini Car Wash. See you there!
Catch us at the Axe Bikini Car Wash on October 27th at the Sienna City. See you there!